Day 2. Exploring the mind-body connection. Welcome to Day 2. Today, we will deepen your awareness of the mind-body connection and introduce visualization technique that will help you regulate and manage your body's responses. Let's start by focusing on your breath. Take a deep breath in through your nose for a count of 4, hold for 5, and exhale slowly for a count of 8. Let's repeat this a few more times. Inhale for 4, hold for 5, and exhale for 8. As you breathe, notice the calmness growing within you. Inhale for 4, hold for 5, and exhale for 8. Now, bring your awareness to your body again, starting from your toes. Slowly scan your body. Notice if there are any areas of tension, and with each exhale, allow those areas to relax. As your awareness moves upwards through your body, feel yourself becoming more at ease. Now, I would like you to visualize your body as a flowing river. The water is calm and peaceful, and you have the ability to control the flow of this river. You can slow it down, regulate it, and guide it as you wish. Feel the power of this control. Just as you regulate your breath, you can control the natural rhythm of your body. With each breath, you are becoming more aware of how your body responds. You are learning to regulate this flow, bringing calm and balance to your experiences. The more you practice this, the more natural it becomes. Now, gently bring your thumb and index finger together on your dominant hand. This simple gesture is a reminder of your control. Each time you use this gesture, you will feel a sense of calm and control wash over you. Take a moment to enjoy this calmness. Whenever you are ready, gently bring your awareness back to the present. You can use your breath and your control cue whenever you need it.